Welcome back, explorers. Today we are going on a big adventure, traveling from the jungle to the safari, all the way to the cold Arctic, and even back in time to when dinosaurs roamed the earth. We're going to build each of these animal habitats using different colored sand. Could you guess which color will be the Arctic? And don't forget to tap and subscribe so you can join us on more adventures. We'll also add some plants, rocks, and trees to bring each world to life. Come along with me as we start our adventure in the jungle and discover some amazing animals. This is an albino Burmese python. Its bright yellow and white colors come from a special condition called albinism. This is a black panther. It is actually a leopard or a jaguar with very dark fur. In the sunlight, you can still see the spots hidden in its coat. Crocodile. Crocodiles are powerful hunters that wait quietly in the water. When the moment is right, they snap their jaws in an instant. Cassowary. Cassowary is a large flightless bird that can run very fast. Chameleons can change colors to blend into their surroundings. Their eyes move independently, helping them look 2 different directions at once. This is a clouded leopard. Its fur has big cloud-shaped markings. It's an amazing climber and can move through the trees with ease. This is a ring-tailed lemur. It uses its long striped tail for balance. Lemurs often sit upright with their arms out to soak up the sun. 3-toed sloth. Sloths move very slowly and spend most of their lives in the trees. Algae can grow on their fur to help them blend in. This is a blue macaw. These colorful birds have strong beaks. They are also very smart and can learn to mimic sounds. Hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of their day in the water to stay cool. Even though they look calm, they are very strong and can move quickly. Giraffes use their long necks to reach leaves high in the trees. Their long tongue helps them grab food without getting hurt. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal on Earth. They use their flexible bodies and long tails to help them run fast. Elephants. Elephants use their trunks to drink water, grab food, and even greet each other. They live in close family groups led by a female. Meerkats. Meerkats stand up tall to watch out for danger. One meerkat keeps lookout while the others look for food. Hyena. Hyenas have very strong jaws that can crush bones. They also communicate with loud calls that sound like laughter. Wildebeest. Wildebeest can travel in huge groups called herds. They migrate along distances in search of fresh grass and water. Zebra. Every zebra has a unique pattern of stripes. When they run together, their stripes can confuse predators. Lion. Male lions have thick manes that make them look bigger. Lions live in groups called prides. Here's the lioness. Lioness work together to hunt and care for their young. Their young are called cubs. Cubs stay close to their mothers until they know how to survive on their own. Polar bear. Polar bears have thick fur and a layer of fat to stay warm. They are excellent swimmers in icy water. Snowy owl. Its white feathers help it to blend into the snowy environment. It can turn its head very far to look for prey. Arctic wolf. It has a thick white fur to stay warm in freezing temperatures. Arctic wolves hunt together as a pack. Rockhopper penguin. It moves by hopping from rock to rock, just as its name. It has bright yellow feathers that stick out above its eyes. Emperor penguin. This is the largest penguin in the world. It keeps its egg warm by balancing it on its feet. Arctic fox. Its fur changes color with the seasons. It can be white in the winter and brown in the summer. Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl was a flying reptile that lived long ago. It used its wings to glide through the air and search for fish. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a giant sea reptile that lived in the ocean. It had powerful jaws filled with sharp teeth. Baryonyx. Baryonyx had a long snout with sharp teeth for catching fish. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus used its long neck to reach up into tall trees and search for leaves. It was one of the tallest dinosaurs to ever live. Regaliaceratops. This is a Regaliaceratops. It had a large frill and horns on its head. Its name means royal horned face. Wow, explorers! What an adventure we had today. We traveled through so many amazing habitats. Which was your favorite? Don't forget to tap subscribe so that we can explore again soon. Thanks for joining me in Ellie's Learning Den. See you next time, explorers. Bye!